Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about a tricky problem. This problem came in West Bengal PSC exam 2022. The exam was for assistant professor recruitment. The problem is based on a very basic fact about integers. Okay, so if you like the content, take a moment to like this video and of course subscribe our channel. Well, so in the problem, a number n is given, okay, which is factorial 1 plus factorial 2 plus factorial 3 plus factorial 4 up to factorial 2011. You know what is factorial, right? We can also write factorial in this way, like factorial n, or this is the notation factorial n. Okay, so what does it mean? Factorial n means, I mean, we know this, but okay, just to recall this: 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, and so on up till n. So for example, if I say what is factorial 4, then it is 1 times, 2 times, 3 times 4. Okay, so if you calculate, it will be 24. Similarly, factorial of other numbers like 2011, this is a huge, really huge number. Okay, so the bigger factorials like 2010 and then 2009, so on, they are huge numbers, but the n is sum of all of them. So sum of all of these factorials. Okay, the question is, what is the last digit of this number n? Okay, so what is the last digit of this number? Okay, so last digit means what? For example, if I say 2 4 3 5 8 9, then the last digit is 9. Okay, similarly 7 2 3 2 5, what is the last digit? This is 5. 5 1 0 0 1 2 0, last digit is 0. Okay, so we know these numbers, and therefore it is very easy to see what is the last digit. For n, it is not very easy to see what will be the last digit of n. There are some options, but we shall see which one of them is correct. But how to find the last digit of n? Okay, which is a huge number and given in this sum of factorials in this form. So anyway, what we will do here, we will first understand what is the last digit. So for example, if I say 5 8 8 9 something, if the last digit is 9, then this 9 is exactly the remainder when you divide 5 8 8 9 by 10. Okay, because I will write 5 8 8 here, so it will become 5 8 8 0, so the remainder is 9. Any number 62512, any number, what is the last digit? Last digit is precisely the number which is the remainder you get when divided by 10. Okay, so 62510 is actually 62512 is actually 6251 times 10 plus 2, right? In this way, for any general number n, if you divide it by 10, okay, whatever you get as a remainder here, like say 0 1, how many remainders are possible? 0 1 2 3 and so on up till 9. Okay, these are the only remainders possible, and yes, these are the only possible last digits. So basically, for any general n, you have to divide that by 10. If you get some remainder, that remainder is actually the last digit. Okay, the last digit. So this is the theory. Now how to find the remainder? How to find the remainder when this n is divided by 10? Okay, something, and then here is the remainder. So we know that now this is the last digit. Okay, this is the theory. So now we shall actually divide this number by 10 using a trick. So factorial 3 and so on up to factorial 2011. Okay, first understand that this 2011, factorial 2011, is actually divisible by 10. Divisible by 10. So the last digit of 2011 factorial is 0. Last digit is 0. Last digit 0. Why? Because 2011 factorial is 2011 times 2010 and so on up till 1, right? But this, because of this 0, or even somewhere there will be 10 here, right? Somewhere there will be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10, right? So 10 will be there, and therefore if you multiply the last digit, something will be there, but the last digit must be 0. Okay. So wherever 10 is there, the last digit must be 0. So for example, here factorial 1 plus factorial 2 plus dot dot plus factorial 9 plus factorial 10 plus 11, okay, all of them up till 2011 factorial, all these numbers individually they are divisible by 10, which means their last digit is 0. So if you take this sum, this total sum, okay, here the last digit will be 0 because all these are divisible by 10 and therefore the sum is also divisible by. So you can actually write this big number as 10 times, let's say, sum m. Okay, you can write it, right? Because this number is divisible by 10. So it is 10 times m. Now, do we have to add these numbers and then divide by 10 because 10 is not sitting inside this? The answer is no. Again, you will find 10 as 2 times 5. This is also 10, right? So if in a factorial 2 and 5 both are there, then that number is also divisible by 10. So how many numbers are there? If you take factorial 5, there will be 2, 5, because factorial 5 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is there, 2 is there. So factorial 5 is divisible by 10. It is 120, you can actually check. So is for factorial 6 and so on, factorial 9. Because everywhere you will find 2 and also 5. So all these are divisible by divisible by 10. Okay, so this also you can remove, right? So what remains is only this 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus this 5 factorial and so on. You can just write that as, so this is all of them are divisible by 10, right? So you can just write the sum of them as 10 times n, and initially it was 10 times m for these big numbers, okay, after 10. So now we have 10 times n plus 10 times n, and this number is remaining. Do you want to add them? No. Factorial 5 is 24, factorial 3 is 6. It's very easy to check. But then 6 plus 24 is actually 30, which is divisible by 10, right? So 10 times 3 plus 10 times n plus 10 times n. So except this factorial 1 plus factorial 2, this whole sum is actually divisible by 10. So basically 10 times 3 plus n plus m, some number, okay, 10 times some number, right? So what remains only is this factorial 1 plus factorial 2, which is nothing but 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, okay. So this big number is actually 1 plus 2 plus 10 times some number, let's say t, okay. Then what is the last digit? 10 times t, there will be last digit as 0 and then plus 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, so plus 3. So the last digit must be 3, and this is the correct answer. So that's all in this video, and I thank you for watching.